Yeah. Hey, what's up, guys? I am iAmEmman, and I am back with the. Whoa, that whole hand motion was off. I am iAmEmman, and I am back with another video. Today, as you can see in the title down below, I am going to show you guys how I personally, I'm not saying that this is the way you should go about doing this, but the way that I give myself a lineup, give myself a little cut. I'm going to line up specifically my hairline here and my face line here. I'll do my mustache just a little bit, just to make everything look a little bit neater. I know a lot of you guys are on the same page with me, where we cannot go to our barber. So this is not like to replace our barber. This is just to keep ourselves looking nice and fresh. I know a lot of us are going to be on Zoom, on FaceTime with our boo things and everything. So yes, this is just to keep yourself looking a little bit fresh. I'll be using two things in this video specifically. My Andis T-liner, A-N-D-I-S. Yep, A-N-D-I-S. I wonder if that's gonna come out backwards. I don't know. T-liner and some hair scissors. Before we get into that, I just wanted to let you guys know I washed, oiled, detangled, and what was the last one? Sheesh. Beard bombed this with my Marco oil and shea butter, shea moisture men from Shy. All right, so I'm about to plug this in. I usually do my first comb out with a pick, just to make sure all the possible knots and everything are out. After that, come back with this, nice and easy. Yep, nice and easy. Oh, y'all gonna see all my pimples and everything. This is what we're gonna line up right here, right there. All this, we'll get that together. I feel like I'm about to eat my mustache. I am specifically only doing the front of my face. I don't know if I'm gonna do the back yet, because I don't usually practice my back a lot. So I don't wanna show you guys something that I don't really know, but we'll see. I do have my mirror. Now let us re-bun these so that we can get all the hair out of my face. Now let's get you guys a little bit closer. As you can see, if you have never done your hairline ever in your life, you have a natural hairline. Here's my hairline. The reason this is a little bit lighter than this here is because one of my barbers took this part down a little bit too much, and I just never grew it back. So during this quarantine, I'm going to, wow, you guys are so close. During this quarantine, I'm going to grow that back to even it all out. So I'll be coming and following along this right here. I don't want to spike up. I just want to, right, make that even. See, there's not much on this side as there is there. You know, even that out, even this out. And this is my favorite part right here. I'm gonna take some of that off right there. All right. You guys ready? Here we go. So I like to guard the rest of my hair so I don't accidentally like shave my head off. Put my finger right here. Let's go just a tad bit more. We're not pushing our hairline back, right?
Oh, turn around. Turn around.
We're just evening it out. Let's come down here. Let's go on the other side. Ooh. Ooh. Just like that. Good. And we're coming around here. We're gonna bring this down and come across. Kind of nervous. What I like to do is set my hand and then drop it. So if my line is like this, especially when I'm using my left hand, I don't know how to turn and rotate. I like to pretend I'm on my skin, so I can turn, rotate, and then press down and move away from my... Do not take your eyebrows off. Let's move down a little bit. You're gonna stretch your cheek so you can get as close to the skin as possible, like that. While this is off, we're gonna come right there. Come back on the other side, do the same thing. And then once this grows back, it'll start filling in a lot more. I feel like I want to take this down to here. So to get this part, oh, that's an interesting idea. It worked. What we've all been waiting for. Again, I like to take my finger just to make sure I don't go up too high. I'm gonna do that all the way across. And as you can see, I think it's called a widow's peak. That's what I have. Widow's peak right here.
Bruh.
And it may not look like I've taken anything off up there, but there's just a little line that I straightened up. You never want to go too far back to where your barber cannot fix it. Again, you're not trying to replace your barber, you're just trying to look a little bit neater while we're in this lockdown. Now this is my favorite part. Do not use the whole thing, because this side is going to be down where you want it, and then this side is going to be up there, and you just got a jacked up mustache. Use half of it, just one half. Now we're going to take our scissors I'm going to take some of this off also. I don't usually do this part, but I want to get some of this off. further. I kind of want to edge this corner just a little bit more. Right there. Yep. Right there. This is me finished. This is me finished on an average day. If you needed to, just go up your nose. I don't usually do this part because I'm scared that I might slit my throat while I'm doing this. And because it burns. This part stings a lot more than any other part. I don't know why. But we're gonna try it today. Okay, I'm sweating. I was so nervous. So I'm basically looking into the mirror and seeing all this that needs to go. And that right there is good enough for me. Now I'm just gonna clean up and down. Clean it. I'm not pushing back anymore, just clean. And that's the best it's gonna get. Because I'm not trying to mess my skin up, I'm not trying to mess my hair up. None of that. Because I know one little thing, all this whole bun is gone. Now this is a 35-minute video. Oh my gosh. Oh my lord. I'm just gonna fold the paper towel up a little bit. Either that or tip, tip, tip. I know it's about to burn because I can feel it in my neck. Tip, tip, tip. Ah! Ah! Wherever you did your hairline, just just in case you got cut. Oh, in case you got cut. Ow. Be careful with your eyes. You don't want to get alcohol in your eyes, I promise. Well, it wasn't alcohol, but my uncle got ammonia in his eye. Not a pretty sight to see. That hurts. Wow. And that is it. So hopefully this does look better than the before picture. Oh, now before we end off, I realized that I just want to take some of this down just a little bit. I'm going to take our scissors, and some people like doing this. I like to so find your preference, because when you do pull it back out, it might not be even because some hairs are curled up, some ear hairs are straight. But whatever way you like best, whatever way works for you. Is the right way. And then we're gonna clip this just a little bit here. What is this thing called? A goatee? let's take another thumbnail picture. And this. Oh, 40 minutes, jeez. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this works for you, I would love to know. Leave it down in the comments. Always remember that there's greatness in you, so go out there and be great. Deuces.